Hi everyone, I'm back. Sorry, I thought I was recording when I was crushing my biscuits, but when I checked, the video is not there. So this is my crushed biscuits, the one I mixed, the lemon and the mint one, and then now we're gonna do custard. Milk is boiling on the stove, so now let's do our custard. One, two, three, four. Though I told you I don't do the measurement, so I need water. Um, it's called water, not hot. Yes, I'm mixing my custard. Going to have yum yum. Going to the stove. I can't able to take the camera, but I'm going to pour this in my pot and stir. The custard need you to stir until you see that now it's becoming better. It's becoming mixed. I think most of us we know how to do this custard. So my custard is too much thick. I'm gonna put bit of water. I can't put the milk anymore. It's too creamy. It's on the stove. I should put bit water again. I don't want it to be too much thick. I want it to be soft. Remember, I've been adding water, so that sugar from the cremora is a bit low. Remember, we didn't add sugar. Ne? I think I need to add bit more of sugar. I'm gonna add my sugar. add more sugar? Sugar.